departure ready isn't easy. And those wing gliders are almost here. Still need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without wings. When these wings are in place, you'll fly and see Berk better than any dragon. Wing glider without wings? You'll see some goggle eggs, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year. Which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea. Oh boy. Hold on tight.